In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Descript for TikTok. We'll walk through the essentials so you can go from idea to export with a clean, polished TikTok-ready video, all inside Descript. Start by logging into Descript. Once you're on the homepage, look for the New Project button. This is where you'll decide whether you're working on a video project or an audio project. For TikTok, you'll typically choose video if you plan to include footage or screen recordings, and audio if you're preparing voiceovers or sound-first content that you'll later pair with visuals. Next, upload your file. You can drag and drop your clips, voiceovers, or music right into the project. Descript will process your media and transcribe it, which makes editing as simple as editing text. If you ever need to revisit your work, head to the Projects tab to view everything you've created so far, organized in one place. Click any project to jump back into the editing screen. Inside the editor, look to the right side panel for AI tools designed for quick editing and polishing. These tools can help you tighten pacing, clean up audio, and keep your audience engaged. Use Underlord to automatically create highlight reels from longer recordings or to generate custom visuals that enhance key moments. This is especially helpful for TikTok, where snappy, high-energy clips perform best. When it's time to add personality and clarity, click the Elements tab. Here you can add text for hooks and callouts, shapes to emphasize key points, and additional media like logos, B-roll, or screenshots. Keep your font, colors, and positioning consistent so your video reflects your brand. Then click Captions to add captions or subtitles. TikTok viewers often watch with sound off, so clear, readable captions can dramatically increase watch time. Adjust the style, size, and placement so they're legible on a vertical screen and don't cover important visuals. Design according to your vision and branding. Keep an eye on vertical framing, safe margins, and visual hierarchy so your message is instantly clear on a phone screen. Also, be mindful of the length of your video based on your intended output: shorts, reels, full-length videos, or TikTok. For TikTok specifically, concise edits with a strong hook in the first few seconds tend to perform best. When you're happy, it's time to export. Choose the export option that matches your platform needs, confirm your resolution and caption settings, and render your file. You're now ready to post a polished TikTok made in Descript.